Bienvenida everyone. Hello, welcome everyone. Yo soy Shivani. I'm Shivani. Estoy aquí para enseñarte español. I'm here to teach you Spanish. In this video tutorial, you guys learn how to differentiate between things in Spanish. It means in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to differentiate one thing from the another thing in Spanish. So, for example, if we want to say that dress is less expensive than pants, how can we say that in Spanish? That dog is lazier than the cat. Your mother is beautiful than that lady. You are taller than your brother. You are shorter than your father. How can we say that in Spanish? At the end, you guys learn how can we say the better or worse in Spanish. If we want to say that movie is worse, how can we say that in Spanish? The book is best, how can we say that in Spanish? So in this video tutorial, you guys learn all of these things. I hope you guys really curious to learn all of these things. So let's start today's video tutorial. To say that something is more beautiful or less interesting, we use the word like más or menos. The más in Spanish means more, or in the menos in Spanish means less. So más or menos means more or less in Spanish. And the phrase is which is used to differentiate between two things is más que or menos que. So we use a phrase like menos adjective que, and más adjective que. We put the adjective between más que or menos que to differentiate between one thing to another thing. Más means more, que means than. Menos means less, and que means than. The example of this is that el perro es más perezoso que el gato. The dog is lazier than the cat. So we use the phrase más perezoso que here to differentiate between that dog is more lazier than the cat, where perezoso means lazy in Spanish, perezoso means lazy in Spanish, and más perezoso means lazier in Spanish. Or el perro means the dog, or el gato means the cat. So el perro es más perezoso que el gato means the dog is lazier than the cat. And the example of menos is that este vestido es menos caro que los pantalones. It means the dress is less expensive than the pants. Este vestido means that this dress in Spanish. Los pantalones means the pants in Spanish. Or es menos caro means less expensive than the pants. Menos caro que means less expensive than, where menos means less, caro means expensive, que means than. So in this phrase, that we differentiate between the prices of dress and the pantaloon. Here the dress is less expensive than the pants. So this dress is less expensive than the pant is este vestido es menos caro que los pantalones mean in Spanish. Este vestido es menos caro que los pantalones means the dress is less expensive than the pants. So I hope guys you really understand my point. Our next point of this video tutorial is that tan como. It means if we want to say two things are the same, we use the phrase like tan como. Tan means as and como means as. So tan we use the phrase like tan adjective como. So if the example of this is that somos tan altos como tú. We are as tall as you. Here we say that one person is as tall as another person. So we use the phrase like tan altos como. Tan altos como means as tall as another thing. Alto means tall. Somos means we are, and tú means you. So somos tan altos como tú means we are as tall as you. So our next point of this video lecture is mejor or peor. Mejor or peor means best or worst in Spanish. Better or worse in Spanish. Mejor means better, or worst, peor means worst. To say that someone or something is better, we use a word mejor que, and to say that someone or something is worse, we use a word like peor que. The example of this is that. So este abrigo es mejor que la jaqueta. It means the coat is better than the jacket. Este abrigo means this coat. Es mejor que means is better than. La jaqueta means the jacket. If we want to say that the coat is better than the jacket, how can we say that in Spanish? We just simply say este abrigo es mejor que la jaqueta. And the example of peor que is that la película es peor que el libro. It means the movie is worse than the book. where La Película means the movie and El Libro means the book, or Espero que means worse than one thing. So, if we want to say one thing is worse than another thing, we use the word peor que, like that. La película es peor que el libro. Here we want to say the movie is worse than the book. So, la película es peor que el libro means the book is worse than the movie is worse than the book. So, guys, let's coming to the next point, in which I'm gonna show you how can we say the better, the best, the worst, or the most in Spanish. To say the most in Spanish, we use el más before the adjective. El más, el or la más before the adjective to say the thing is most intelligent or youngest, shorter, etc. than another thing. The example of this is Prince es el más inteligente de la clase. It means Prince is the most intelligent in the classes, where el más inteligente means the most intelligent, or de la clase means in the class. Prince es el más inteligente de la clase means Prince is the most intelligent in the class. Our next example is Sara is la más joven de la familia. It means Sara is the youngest in the family. To say where joven means young and the la más means youngest. We want to say something is shorter, taller, or youngest in than another thing, we put la más before the adjective here. La más makes one thing more more better or more worse than another thing. So, la más joven means youngest in Spanish. So, la familia means in the family. Sara es la más joven de la familia means Sara is the youngest. Sara is the youngest in the family. And just like la más, you can also use el mejor or el peor to say the best or the worst in Spanish. You can also use el mejor or el peor to say the best or the worst in Spanish. The example of this is that este es el mejor curso de la universidad. It means this is the best course in the university. Where el mejor means the best, curso means course, de la universidad means in the university, este means this. If we want to say this course is the best in the university, how can we say that in Spanish? Este es el mejor curso de la universidad. Our next example is este libro es el peor. It means this book is the worst. The el peor means the worst in Spanish, and este libro means the book, this book in Spanish. Este libro es el peor. It means this book is the worst. Guys, now I'm giving you some words related to our this video tutorial. So our first word coming to you is cap. Cap means gorra in Spanish. Cap means gorra in Spanish. Comfortable means cómodo. Cap means gorra. Comfortable means cómodo in Spanish. Blouse means blusa in Spanish. Beautiful or pretty means bello in Spanish. Beautiful or pretty means bello. Guys, double L is pronounced as J. In Spanish, it is pronounced as bello. And we want to say shorter in Spanish, we use más bajos. Más bajos. Más bajos means shorter. Guys, J is pronounced as H in Spanish, so it is pronounced as bajos, which means short in Spanish. Or más bajos means shorter. Famous means famosas. The word means el mundo. Tallest means más alta. Thin means delgada. Fat means gordo. So that or as means that. So cap means gorra. Comfortable means comodo. Blouse means blusa. Beautiful or pretty means bello. Shorter means más bajos. Famous means famosas. The word means el mundo. Tallest means más alta. Thin means delgada. Fat means gordo. So that or as means that. Now I am giving you some sentence related to that words. Our first word coming to you is ho mi pongo la chaqueta marron. It means today I am putting on the brown jacket. Chaqueta marron means brown jacket. Mi pongo means I am putting on. Hoy means today in Spanish. Hoy mi pongo la chaqueta marron means today I am putting on the brown jacket. Our next sentence is no me guste esta gorra azul. I don't like this blue cap. Where no me guste means I don't like in Spanish, or esta gorra azul means this blue cap. Azul means blue in Spanish. If we want to say no me gusta esta gorra azul, it means I don't like this blue cap. Our next sentence is estos, it means these, zapatos means shoes, son manos and elegantes, it means are very elegant. Elegantes. So estos zapatos son menos elegantes means the shoes is less elegantes. Menos means less in Spanish. Te gusta esta blusa roja means do you like this red blouse, where roja means red in Spanish. So te gusta esta blusa roja means do you like this red blouse. Our next sentence is este libro es más interesante que el diario. Diario means the newspaper. Diario means the newspaper in Spanish. Este libro means the book. Es más interesante means is more interesting than the newspaper. If you want to say this book is more interesting than the newspaper, how can we say? Este libro es más interesante que el diario. Our next sentence is esta gorra, this cap es menos cara, is less expensive. Esta gorra es menos cara means this cap is less expensive. Our next sentence is hoy es un día bello. Today is the beautiful day. Where un día means a day, bello means beautiful, hoy means today. Hoy es un día bello means today is a beautiful day. Our next sentence is estos precios son peores. Estos precios son peores. It means these prices are worse. Our next sentence is ellos son más bajos que el maestro. They are shorter than the teacher. Ellos son más bajos que el maestro. It means that they are shorter than the teacher. Our next sentence is me siento peor hoy. I feel worse today. Where me siento means I feel, peor means worse, hoy means today. So if you want to say I feel worse today, how can we say that in Spanish? Me siento peor hoy. Our next sentence is te siento mejor hoy. Te siento mejor hoy means do you feel better today? Te siento means do you feel, mejor hoy means better today. So te siento mejor hoy means do you feel better today, or me siento peor hoy means I feel worse today. Our next sentence is él es tan simpático como su madre. He is as nice as father. Él es tan simpático como su padre means he is as nice as his father. Where tan simpático como means as nice as, su padre means his father. So él es tan simpático como su padre means he is as nice as his father. Our last sentence of this today video tutorial is La niña es tan bella como su madre. The girl is as pretty as her mother. Su madre means the mother. Tan bella como means as pretty as, or la niña means the girl. La niña es tan bella como su madre. The girl is as pretty as her mother. So that's all for today. Hope guys you really like today's video. And if you really learned something from today's video, please like, share and comment on Language for All channels. And please subscribe to my channels. So till then, adios and gracias por mirar. It means goodbye and thank you for watching.